Guys, gane while sampotse gore lena ka moseteng ja Springs lena le swara di-Nigerian drug dealers a le fitlhele ba diša drugs tša bona. I know le strong. Mara guys, I can see gore vele South African movement is the strongest thing like e di dirang, and you guys don't disappoint, ne? There is this another video e ke e boneng about Nigerians go Cape Town, ne? The Nigerians re kole ba re o ka re they were refusing agere go follow the rules tsa the police because ba findile out gore those Nigerians are selling drugs.
We have also noted that some groups tend to confront and seek to resist lawful operations by our law enforcement authorities. A case in point is the confrontation between law enforcement officers.
So they disrespected CAPS. They disrespected CAPS ya Cape Town, and then ra kwa go bile le some fights tse di diregileng on that place. Then go ba le ba end up ba firana le the police. They were then go fletša go dira gore they shot one of the Nigerians ka rubber bullet mo molomong. Here's the picture. So yeah, so after that only to find out gore ba ba moswereng le ba bangwe ba one of them a no ba mtšhintše mo molomong a ba fihla ka police station and left us a ba lifeless. A re tsebe gore ga le lifeless ka mokgwa it's a police case or it's what, cause ba ba kry-ile ba rekiša di-drugs. So wa bona na all I know, ne, I will say this straight and forward, e be clean, and to be honest, you know, some of the African people, ne, the foreigners, they are not bad like Nigerians, guys. If you can look this thing, yama Nigerian, Nigerians are the most dangerous people in the world because everywhere in the world Nigerians are not wanted. And I'm not surprised, ne? Nigerians are drug dealers. Nigerians, almost 95% of Nigerians, they sell drugs all over the world. And then they will come to the internet and complain, yeah, why African countries hate us? What did Nigerians do? Guys, you guys have problem, a serious one.